Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create Shopify store. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Building a Shopify store presents an exciting opportunity to launch new online business or grow an existing one. The process can feel overwhelming at first from selecting them or adding products. There's much to do before your store is ready for a visitor. One of the most critical tasks early on is Spotify conversion rate optimization. So, in this video, I'll show you how to create your own store on Shopify. It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to download first the apps on your App Store or Play Store. You can check it. Shopify. Okay, this one. After that, you can download it. You can open the apps. The start selling online with Shopify. You can create your online store, grow your audience, manage from anywhere. You can just tap on get started. You can choose is this shop for a new or existing business, new business or idea. Tap on next. Where would you like to sell? An online store, in person, an existing website or blog, social media, online marketplace. You can choose. You can pick as many as you like. I would choose two. Tap on next. What do you plan to sell? So Shopify will get you the right feature and tools, product I buy or make myself, digital products, drop shipping, product services, brand. For example, we just choose this one. Tap on next. You can open the browser. You can open with the browser to complete these steps. Now you can sign up with email, with your Google account, with your Apple account, or with Facebook. For example, we'll just try to sign up with my Google account. You can choose the Google account that you want to use. Now you can just tap on continue. Building your store. Still loading. You can wait. So here you go. It's still loading. You can choose plan. So you can for free for 3 days or cancel at any time. You can just skip this tab or you can just buy plan. You can allow the notifications. So here's your store. You can complete your profile store in here. Use this guide to get your store up and running. You can find product to sell, customize your online store and add store name, review your shipping rate, or you can learn the basic of drop shipping by watching this video. Okay, here's the feature like this section to manage your orders. This one to your products. You can add your products in here. Here's the settings. Here's your profile. Here's you can search any products in here or order products, customers. Here's the home. You can add your store. You can edit your store. You can select plan to build your dream business. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create your store on Shopify. It's very simple, right? So don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.